guys, welcome back. So here we are again. We are just going to decorate up our cute little mini altered composition notebook. While I was looking at it, I thought about something else to put on it. Okay, so what we've done already in the first video, we glued all of our pages together and got it ready, and I think we covered it in the first video. I don't remember. And then yesterday we added our page tabs in. I can see that I still need to trim that. It's looking a little wonky-fied, but it's probably going to look even worse if I trim it. I'm not going to mess with it right now. So today I think we're going to start decorating some. And while I was looking at it, I have this velvet ribbon stuff here that I'm thinking this might look cute. I don't know if I want that or the green. Let's go with the green. I think that'll look cute. See, I wasn't even thinking about that whenever I was trying, because I've got some of the embellishments and stuff out to decorate it with, but then I just thought about this. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down right on that area where it meets the black. And I'm just going to put it down like that. Oh, that's cute. I'm liking it. Let me trim that off if I can. I love it, love it, love it. And we'll put a piece of that on the black, on the back, black as well. But let's let this dry for just a minute. And so, let's see. These were some cut aparts that came with the paper pad. And I'm just wondering if any of these would look cute. Bloom Wildly. I like that, but it would need something behind it. And I do have some other embellishments over here as well, but let's go ahead and do the back. Oh, that is so cute. Glad I thought about that. Now this journal is going to be chunky because we left all of the pages in. And so maybe tomorrow we'll start doing the one that we ripped some of the pages out of. And then once we get done with both of them, that way you'll be able to see the difference in cutting or, tearing some of the pages out versus leaving them all in. Oh, that's so cute. I'm loving that. All right, I'm going to kind of set it up for just a minute so that things can dry without hitting the desk. So I want a word, I think, on that front, but I want it to kind of match. Let's see what's in this pack here. Let's see, what do we have? I like that one. Let's get together. Thanks. Got to kind of match. If you were giving it to somebody, you could put the name on it. I like that one. I don't know. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. I mean, I could put some coffee dyed paper behind it, or some scrapbook paper or something like that. How did Tim Holt stuff get in there? I don't know. But we're going to stick it back in there for right now. Alright, let's see. That's kind of cute. I think I like that. And I'm not going to put anything behind it because I think it's contrasting enough that we're good. And I haven't inked anything, so I'm not going to ink this either. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Even if I say so myself. Alright, let's put this stuff out of the way. Because I do have, I went ahead and I used the scraps that we had left from cutting all these pieces. And I went ahead and cut my pockets. I haven't done anything with them. As I told you guys, I would do it all with you. So, let's go right here to this front. And what I done is I just took a piece that I cut off from this here. And I think I cut it at like 3.5 inches. And so this is going to make a pocket right here. And so I'm just going to glue down the 3 sides. Probably should get my Barely Arts glue for this, but oh well. And then I'm just going to stick it in there like that. And there we have that pocket. How cute. Love that. Let it sit there for just a second and let it kind of adhere really good. Look how cute, guys. I'm loving this. Alright, and so for this one, I figured I would put this pocket on, and if you notice, I cut it a little bit short because I didn't want it button up against that. And so I'm just going to glue these 3 sides down. And I'm going to bring it right here and line it up with this outside. That's what I want it to be lined up with. And so there's that. And we can come back in and do some stamping or add some little embellishments on these papers. Okay. And so for here, I just took one of the squares and I cut it in half. And so we're just going to make a little tuck. Just like that. Super cute. And I made sure I got papers that were very contrasty. Alright, so on this one here, let's go on over. I figured on this I will do a pocket like this. Okay. Just going to slide that right there. Cute, 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 cute. Love it. look how cute this is looking already. But look how chunky it's already looking, and I haven't even got stuff in it yet. So we've got a pocket there. We got a pocket here. We got a tuck here. We have a pocket here. Now we want to put a pocket here, and I didn't corner around that side, which it needs to because it needs to match that paper. So again, we're just going to do these 3 corners here. And I'm just going to have it match the paper. And then I'm going to glue it down. Super cute. Okay. And so now we've got this one back here. And so on this one, corner around this. On this one, I'm going to put this one here, and then this one I'm going to put here. So sorry about that, guys. My son called. He's working on a big order for the fire cadets. He's having to do something to do with the helmets, and he needed my advice on something. All right, so we're going to put this one. We're going to make sure that we get it lined up with the edge there. So there we go with that one. And then this one, we're going to do these 3 here. And we're going to line this one up with the edge right there. And so see, we have a double pocket. Isn't that cute? All right, so now let's come over here. And we're doing a double pocket over here too, but we're doing it a little different. And again, I just used the offcuts from where I was cutting the stuff to do the tab in here, because they were the perfect size already. So I just used that. And so now I'm going to put this one right here. So now we have a double pocket on the front of this tab and a double pocket on the back. All right. And so now we need to go back here to this back, and we're just going to put another one of these. Just like this. We're going to stick that down in there like that. Okay, so now we have that tab there. Now let's close it up. And it's looking cute, so we need to put some stuff in these. And I have some stuff right here. I don't know if I have enough for everything, but we will see what we do have. So we got something we can stick there. And then right here, I don't know if this will fit in here or not. Check that out. And then we've got this. We can stick right there. Put this right here. We got another wide one. Let's just stick this one right there. And we got a double one, so we want that there, and maybe this one there. It would stick up a little bit, but that's fine with me. And then we have this here. So we could put that there. Let's put this one, no, same thing, okay. We got that there. We can put something bigger there. But look at that, guys. How cute. All right. So the only other thing that I would want to do is I want to cover my ends with washi tape. So I've just pulled out some of my pinks and like greens and blues. And I'm going to just show you guys how I do that. And I just like putting the washi tape on it because it makes me feel like it's got a little bit more stability. And so I just put the washi half on, and then I just fold it over. And then I'll go along and trim all of that off. And so I'll just alternate my washi. Put, you know, I don't want it all the same. I do want it to kind of be all in the same color scheme. But I'll just kind of go through and alternate and put the different pieces down so that when you look at it, let's do a couple more so you kind of get the idea. I'll have to trim it and all, but we can do that. And so I'm just, as long as it was kind of in the same color family, I'm good. And just put it about halfway down. And I always flip my books around. It just makes it easier for me. And then this one is different colors. I don't know how it'll look, but we're going to try it. Just to kind of split up all of that pink, which y'all know I like pink, so. And then, let's see. Let's do this one maybe. We won't do the whole book on camera, but we'll get it to where you guys can see what it looks like maybe. I love doing the washi tape and all. And then let's put this one. It's a little brighter and a little wider. I love, love, love how it looks. And this is a brighter green, but I'm thinking it might work. We're going to try it. Let's see. And then let's go with maybe this one here. And I don't know if you guys are like me, you have more than enough washi tape to do this with, because I am so bad about, I don't know why I feel the need to buy every washi tape I see, but for some reason I feel that need. Alright, so see when you look at it, look how that looks. Isn't that cute? Alright guys, well we're going to call this little altered composition notebook done. You will see this one again once we finish the next one where we torn some of the pages out. But that's it for now. The only other thing I would do is put some tabs on this, but probably not. Anyway guys, let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Bye guys.